These sexual and reproductive health rights are under threat, especially as regards to adolescents. We are seeing a rise in teenage pregnancies. They say at least 1 out of 5 adolescent girls get pregnant before they reach the age of 19. So we are seeing so many challenges around this. We are seeing the adolescents are getting STIs.
Now, if we can use social media for good to promote positive sexual reproductive health, and infuse that in the other programs like community health promoters, it will make a big change. But how do we do it?
SID that played a very critical end has come to an end. What next for the lives of adolescents and youths? We know that this will affect how services are provided across Africa. And when we think about our health systems, we are not yet there. We still have places where we cannot access services. We still have issues to do with healthcare providers. As we speak, we know that we have facilities across Africa where USAID played a very critical role in ensuring that healthcare providers were in all facilities, and especially in the very hard to reach areas, they have stopped providing those services.